Hey everybody, Luke here. Today we're looking at my favorite taping technique to alleviate heel pain. This one is specific for the heel pain that's right on the bottom of your heel, which is usually going to be associated with plantar fasciitis, so that irritation of the plantar fascia as it supports your arch. The nice thing about this taping technique is we're using it to support your arch, which is going to take pressure off of your plantar fascia, because as the arch collapses, that's what squishes it and causes extra inflammation. And typically, if supporting the arch is going to help you, you'll feel immediate pain relief with this technique, which is good for you, and then as a therapist, it kind of makes me feel good too, because something I did for 5 minutes just worked. So it's nice. So Stephanie actually does have heel pain, so this is nice because we taper up once in a while and we do other stuff that works. And I've already got all of my strips laid out here, so you don't have to spend the next 5 minutes watching me pull tape. And what we're going to do then is take this thin strip first, and I'm going to have Stephanie kind of put her ankle back for me a little bit. And I'm going to anchor this right to the base of her first toe there. And as we pull her foot up here, you can see the arch is basically supported. I'm going to pull that tight to the inside of her heel there, and then I will anchor that up and around over on the other side here. So these straps are just starting to lay a little bit of support for her arch there. So I'll do 2 of these first.
I feel pretty good. I'll take those off. Go ahead.
And I kind of stagger them a little bit just to give it more support. I'm going to put your toe up a little bit there again. Thank you. Get it tight from there to there. And then just anchor it on the opposite side. Make it nice and neat. And then I've got the other strips are going to anchor these ones in and kind of support the arch as well. So I'm going to go here from the outside of the foot and just get it nice and snug up along the arch there. So that's going to kind of support the arch and lock in those first thin strips too. Second one's just going to start moving forward a bit on that first one. So same idea. We're just going to pull from outside to inside and again support that arch. And one more there. This last one we just want to keep clear of the base of her foot there. Otherwise it'll feel funky. Although it is Friday night, so, you know, it's all good.
Cinco de Mayo.
So there's those 3, yeah, as we're making it Cinco de Mayo. The last one I'm going to put on is going to anchor those ones in. So if you could pull your foot up again there, Steph. I'll put it here, kind of lift her toe up to support the arch. And I like to get these nice and snug. These ones will tend to feel good if they're firm, and they won't tend to get over tight. So just lock all those in. This technique, by the way, is called low-dye taping. I guess the tape is just low-dye. Apparently. Whatever. So last strip I have is kind of a funky one. I already ripped it again earlier. It's going to go all the way around the arch, but on the top I put a second strip of tape there. That way, when I put it down, it won't rub on her foot. Some PTs will just use like a piece of gauze there or something like that. Same idea. So what I do is I lay it across the top of the arch where I want it. Kind of a weird angle, so I'll anchor the inside one first. And then I'll make sure she's got her arch up. And I'll put this one snug over the top, but I won't get it too tight, because if you get it too tight, when she walks and puts weight on her foot, it'll kind of like choke the foot. So we want it snug, so it's kind of a balance. Nice thing is if it's too tight, I have her pop back up here and just loosen it up. So, or if it's too loose, same thing. So that's the technique. Nice arch support. We're going to put Stephanie on the spot here, and hopefully it feels good, and don't lie to us either way, okay?
Oh, feels great.
You sure?
Yes.
It's not too tight?
No,
Not
not
too
at all.
loose? All right, good. So that is...
Wednesday this week. It's perfect.
Oh, that's right, Bloom's Day, coming right up. So that's my favorite taping technique for that plantar fasciitis. And again, it's super useful because if supporting the arch is going to help you, which most of the time it's going to with plantar fasciitis, I mean, it takes me 2 or 3 minutes to taper up after I've torn the tape up, and she can wear that for a couple days as long as it sticks. And long term, it may be a short term solution for helping her along her treatment path as she's stretching, maybe night splinting, maybe we're doing some like friction massage and stuff. So it could just be a short term solution and she gets back to her normal footwear. But long term, if supporting the arch really helps, that may be an indicator for her to either wear more supportive shoes or get a custom orthotic made. So it's a really nice way to see what's going to help the person out. So there you are for your #1 taping technique for heel pain. And if you need more information, over on the blog page, we've got a whole bunch of topics about heel pain, plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, all of those fun things. So if you want more information, go cruise through that library of stuff. And if you have any direct questions, you're free to call me at the clinic or email me as well. I have all that information in the description of the video. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.